Welcome to Amusements, Circling Circuits. Today, I'm playing in STEM Station at Muse Knoxville, pretending to be an electrical engineer. An electrical engineer solves problems with electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. What is electricity? Electricity is a form of energy from electrons flowing in one direction. Electrons are tiny parts of the atoms that make up everything around us. Electricity can be static or dynamic. Static electricity is an imbalance of electric charges within or on the surface of a material. The charge remains until it's able to move away through an electrical discharge. Look in your kit for the balloon. Using the balloon, can you show static electricity? Pause the video now to explore. I want to show static electricity with the balloon by having it cling to the wall. I'm going to rub the balloon on a piece of cloth. As I rub, I'm creating a negative charge. Since the wall and the balloon have opposite static charges, they will attract. When we rub a balloon and it sticks to the wall, electrons jump from one object to the other, causing a positive charge in one and a negative charge in the other. Balance is restored through a discharge of static electricity. Can you think of more examples of static electricity? Here at Muse Knoxville, we have a Van de Graaff generator. It collects an electric charge in the hollow metal globe and creates a high electric potential. I can use the wand to discharge the static electricity. You'll be able to hear and see the discharge. Let's try it. Another way to discharge the static electricity is with hair. Dynamic electricity is the constant flow of charged particles. It can only flow through a complete loop. This loop is called an electric current. We can show dynamic electricity by making an electric circuit. At Muse Knoxville, we can make these in STEM Station. An electric circuit is made when a power source, like this crank, is connected to a component, something that receives the current. The items in your Circling Circuits kits are the components of the circuits we'll be making. If you haven't explored the components of your kit yet, take this time to do so. These are the parts that are connected by lead wires that complete the circuit, allowing electricity to flow through them. For our first electrical engineering task, we will be creating simple circuits to make a light bulb turn on. When you are ready, continue on to the second video segment.